Okay, so hi, I'm Nancy and this is Leah, and we're gonna be showing you how to make slime. First,
you're gonna need a bowl, and you're gonna need some warm water
with borax in it.
Borax!
You can show that.
Some Elmer's glue. Some Elmer's glue. And a mixing tool.
That's not a mixing tool, that's a teaspoon thing.
Well, we're gonna mix with it.
Yeah. And put the warm water in here. So you'll
you'll start off with just putting. We're gonna eye it.
You forgot the colors.
She'll go get the colors while I add in some glue. Well, we're just eyeing it, and we'll just put activator in until it's done. Until we think it's ready. That seems like a good amount.
I'm going to do green.
Okay.
So I'm going to do green.
Green. So we'll add it in now because otherwise it'll be your hands will get really colorful. I added this stuff in.
No.
We need to put borax in
I'll do it. You do nothing.
We need to put borax in the warm water.
You'll need...
That's your activator.
Okay.
A teaspoon of borax.
And... Let me take this off.
Do we have a mixing tool?
So...
A spoon.
Tape
We're going to get a spoon to mix with.
What happens if you put too much borax?
It makes the slime stringy.
Yeah.
If you put too much borax, it will become really stringy.
So you might want to, if you do...
You must have parent supervision because we do. She's somewhere over there. There she is. I'm going to start mixing in the green.
Do not drink the borax water.
No,
It's very poisonous.
Borax is like a cleaning solution. If you eat it, you will get very sick and you possibly will die.
You need 1/4 teaspoon.
Do not play with borax if you have open cuts on your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have 2 people, it'll be a good idea if you have one person mix while the other
We're just
person
gonna add
it in.
a little bit, so...
A little bit at a time.
Yeah.
We didn't exactly use exact measurements, so...
This is gonna be...
So that's why we're adding a little bit.
1/4 of a teaspoon at a time.
It's kind of turning into slime.
Well, this is the way I always make slime. So.
Add a little bit more in. Add a little bit more in at a time. Because it takes a lot of activator, but do not pour like the whole thing in.
Like I one time did.
Yeah. What happened when you poured the whole thing in?
It became stringy, like I said.
Well, the one time it became super hard.
Oh yeah. It's becoming slime now.
It's alive!
Sort of. It's not really good.
Okay, how about we just pour a little bit in because this is taking forever.
Oh no.
I think that's good.
Okay, let me stir.
No, I want to stir. I want to stir.
Oh, hold on.
It's a lot.
Here, let's...
Yeah.
Okay, can you put some borax in here?
That's why you weren't supposed to do that.
So you're gonna need it.
Don't stick your hands in like she just did.
Yeah, it gets all over your hands. Can you hold this? As you can tell. It's good.
She just made a very bad mistake, and you need to make it down so the camera can see. So the world can see us. Okay, before this video ends, we'll show you her dog.
Yeah. She's blind and she's deaf.
If you want to see, I have a YouTube channel too. It's called Leo's
Leo's-
Craft
Yeah.
Shack.
I was gonna say.
More. I put more and yeah.
She doesn't know
Leo's Craft Shack More. It's supposed to be and more, but I put more.
why.
I'm gonna put more borax in.
Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Don't spill it.
Look, she did.
In a way, what the heck?
Here.
I mean,
Put it in. Put your hand in the bowl. No.
yeah, put your hand in the bowl, Nancy.
If you have some,
It's
Just
sticky.
put it in the bowl. Just keep doing that. Should be okay.
maybe with some little bit.
Her real name's Anna Leia.
Yeah.
She's on her mom's account, and her mom's name is.
It wouldn't
Nancy.
work. This is embarrassing.
Ah,
It wouldn't work
for the whole
guys.
world to see.
Yeah, we tried like 4 times. It didn't work.
Yeah, because there's not enough borax.
No, not slime. I'm talking about my channel.
Oh!
Ah.
I thought you were talking about the slime.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
This is bad.
That's why you need a friend, because if you get stuck in a crisis, then
It's getting there. Here, just put your hand in there.
No, there's a
Yeah,
lot of
okay,
borax
just
in there.
Put your hand in that.
Okay. I think that's good enough. It's already slime.
so guys, this is what it makes if you be patient and you keep on stirring. She was too ready. The whole world got to see her mess up.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Sticks. Oh, jeez, that's disgusting. Dreadful. We've been filming for 7 minutes.
Wow. Wait, let them see. Let them see. We'll have to clean this up.
I think it's pretty good, guys.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm getting the borax on it again. Okay, I'm gonna make. Oh, jeez, you're getting slime on me.
Well, my dog's here.
Well, later we'll show you before this video ends because it's very hard to get it back up. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, jeez.
Oh no! Get that before my dog. No! Give me the slime. Give me the slime.
I need to get that slime bit.
Can I feel it? That's soft. Okay, I think we're done with the
No,
borax.
I need to show you guys my bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
She'll try to do it, and then it sometimes doesn't work.
Oh no.
It's not gonna
Yeah.
Did you hear that? That's victory. Don't get it in your hand. She's a yeller. She's like old yeller.
Yeah.
Okay, so before, we said we'd show you her dog. She's deaf. Flossie, look at the camera. Her name is Flossie.
Took it after my mom, me and my aunt who died. So.
Her back legs don't work very well either. She's very old, and they might have to put her down soon.
What? I don't want to put Flossie down.
Well,
She's the first
she's
dog I had
suffering.
after my cat. that
she's
died.
suffering. She's deaf, she's blind, and her back legs don't work that well.
Yeah, and she pees like everywhere.
Well, leave a like and subscribe,
Right.
and have a good
Hey, I'm supposed have a good day. Have a good morning.